Welcome to our culture, where positivity and inspiration shine. Our people's vision is focusing on excellence and passion. We believe in focusing on the strengths of our people and empowering them to grow and succeed. At CordenPharma, we foster an open-minded work environment that embraces diversity and encourages inclusion. With excellent leadership at the core, we are on an exciting journey driven by cutting-edge technologies and commitment to excellent customer experience. For us, providing equal opportunities and chances is key, as well as embracing a culture of personal and professional growth. We promote an atmosphere of freedom where you can be yourself. Join us and experience a culture that celebrates both individuals and teamwork. CordenPharma, where your potential meets opportunity.